Hello everyone, welcome to Zero Vigyan. In this video, we will talk about Brahmpur University PhD admission. First talking about Brahmpur University. Brahmpur University, Odisha is a state university. It was established in 1967. Brahmpur University is one of the oldest university of Odisha. Now talking about available PhD programs for 2023. Biotechnology 16, Botany 6, Business Administration 5, Chemistry 4, Commerce 2, Computer Science 1, Economics 3, Education 4, Electronic Science 8, English 2, Environmental Studies 7, Industrial Relations and Personal Management 3, Journalism and Mass Communication 14, Library and Information Science 5, Law 6, Linguistics 7, Marine Biology 4, Mathematics 6, Oceanography 10, Odia 2, Physics 5, Political Science 1, Tourism and Travel Studies 4, Geology 5. Now talking about PhD admission eligibility criteria. Master's degree in respective or allied subject or a professional degree declared equivalent to master's degree with at least 55% marks in aggregate or its equivalent grade B in the UGC 7-point scale or CGPA of 6 or an equivalent degree. Relaxation of 5% marks from 55% to 50% or an equivalent relaxation of grade shall be allowed to SC, ST and Divyang and other reserved categories candidates. Candidates possessing a degree considered equivalent to MPhil or MTech degree shall be eligible for admission to PhD program subject to qualifying URET, University Research Entrance Test. Now talking about selection process. The admission of candidates shall be by a two-step process. In step 1, qualifying in UGC or CSIR NET or GATE or ICPR, ICSSR, ICHR or any other national fellowship or scholarship for PhD or teacher fellowship holder for PhD or the URET, which is an admission or entrance test conducted by the Brahmpur University with a qualifying mark of 50%. The syllabus of the URET shall consist of 100 marks covering of research methodology and research and analytical aptitude 50% and the concerned subject 50%. And the second step is an interview or viva voce and verification of original documents to be conducted by respective department or center where the candidates are required to discuss their research interest or area before DRC, Department Research Committee. Step 1 is just qualifying requirement, preparation of merit list, academic career marks, 30% calculated from mark sheet, evaluation of the interview performance based on knowledge of subject, experience in research, publication, understanding and curiosity, maximum mark 70. In preparing merit list, 30% will be considered academic career marks and 70% interview or viva voce marks. Total marks will be 100. Now talking about application process. Application form can be obtained from university website. Candidates is required to send the print copy of filled application form duly signed by him or her along with self-attached photocopies of all the required documents and application cum processing fee to the Deputy Controller of Examination, Brahmpur University by speed or register post only. Now talking about application fee. For SC and ST candidates 800, for others 1000. Now talking about important dates. Date of notification 25th May. Last date of submission of hard copy of application 27 June. Sending of admit card through email or WhatsApp 5th July. And date of entrance URET University Research Entrance Test 23rd July. Publication of list of candidates qualified in entrance 31st July. Date of interview or viva voce 7th or 8th August. Declaration of result 11th August.